Hi folks, Jason here at Leisure Time Sales with a 2022 Clipper 107 LS coming back to us on trade. We sold this one right here, folks, so you know it's well looked after, and it comes to us, returns home in great condition. A couple things on the outside we'll point out to you. You do have a Dometic awning on this unit as well. If you would like to use that to stay out of the sun, you do have an LP quick connect as well, so a spot outside to hook up a barbecue on this unit. Nice touch to have. And on the 10-foot box, you've got all kinds of room on the inside. We'll go inside now and take a look at some of those wonderful features that you'll get to enjoy. Now, no fridge, but what you do have is a 12-volt cooler, so that's going to keep everything nice and cool for you. You can see the furnace just to the right of it. You've got a spot there to store a few things under the 2-burner cooktop and a fully plumbed hot and cold water system as well. So really no limitations. The only limitation you'd have on this one is you'd probably have to take a few steps and walk to the bathroom. Other than that, everything you need inside to cook, clean up, and have hot and cold running water, keep yourself warm, and keep your food cold is all here in this unit. Good storage throughout as well. You've got a nice fold out here at the top end of the camper. That's with a teddy bear finish on the mattresses. You can see they're nice and cozy. Spinning around and take a look at the main living space. You've got a nice big opposing setup for some bench seating with a little table on the inside. If you do need some extra sleeping, you can see underneath there, those bars that you see, those will pull out and create what they call a gaucho. The folks at Clipper call it a gaucho. Gives you some extra sleeping space as well. You just have to make some adjustments to those mattresses and you'll have a nice big spot to sleep there in the middle. So really at the end of the day, you've got room to sleep 2 in the front, 2 in the back, 2 in the middle comfortably. If you're looking to get out and enjoy some time with the family, you can bring everybody along. And again, the 10-foot box makes all the difference. This camper is just a shade under 1,900 pounds, so you're able to tow it with just about anything, which is a nice feature as well. And we love that about the pop-up campers. Gives some people an opportunity to get out and travel with their camping without having to compromise their ability to tow or have to invest in a more expensive vehicle than they want to use on the day-to-day. So this has been a look at the 2022 Clipper 107. Come on and see us, folks. All kinds of opportunities here for you. All kinds of features we'd like to show you about this unit if you want to pop in and take a look. We have other trades coming in too if you're looking for something bigger, smaller, more money, less money. We've got it all for you, as well as 2024 brand new units arriving every single day.